Withdrawing funds held by Outlook 2026 can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Outlook 2026 account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the Funds section. Once logged in, locate the section of the dashboard that deals with funds or financial transactions. This may be labeled as Wallet, Funds, or Payments. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. You will need to provide details for the withdrawal, such as the amount you wish to withdraw and your preferred withdrawal method, e.g., bank transfer, PayPal. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details you have entered for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, confirm the withdrawal request and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. After completing these steps, you should be on your way to successfully withdrawing your funds. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.